Hello and welcome. My name is Donald Comm. I'm the Director of Electric Services, and today we're standing in front of Mary Greeley Medical Center, both the hospital itself and the parking ramp, and we're here to recognize Mary Greeley for being part of the Mayor's Green Team. We have several distinguished people here with us today. I want to kind of introduce them. The Honorable Mayor Ann Campbell will be speaking in a little bit. Also from the city, we have Steve, the Energy Guy Wilson, who will be speaking. For Mary Greeley, we've got the President and CEO, Brian Dieter. We have Lynn Whistler, the Vice President of Operations, and a whole bunch of other titles. And then we also have the Director of Facilities, and that's John Rodoloso here. So I wanted to thank, on behalf of the city, on behalf of the URAB and Electric Services, first want to say thank you for getting involved in our demand side management program and being part of smart energy and smart choices. So with that, I want to bring Steve up and he can give you a little bit more on the background and some of the things that Mary Greeley's done. Steve.
Thanks, Don. Smart energy is part of an effort and aims to reduce waste, improve energy efficacy, and advance towards sustainability. Smart energy offers a suite of programs aimed at customer education, green energy acquisition, electricity energy savings, and electric demand reduction. The goal of smart energy is to impact the increasing need for energy in order to save dollars, save resources, and save the environment. Participating in smart energy lowers bills, it improves electric system reliability, it helps keep our rates low, and it contributes to a cleaner environment. It also helps the community of Ames toward a more sustainable future. The citizens of Ames have participated in smart energy rebate programs a total of 10,106 times since we began in 2007. About 9,400 people have a switch on their air conditioner for our primetime power load control program. Their efforts save Ames 12 million kilowatt hours of electricity every year. They reduce the summertime demand for electricity by 11 megawatts. It cleans 10,000 tons of carbon dioxide out of the atmosphere. And these combined efforts within the city of Ames help the utility avoid a future cost of $12 million. Today we're here to recognize a significant contributor to energy reduction and sustainability efforts in Ames, Mary Greeley Medical Center. Mary Greeley sets the standard for excellence in compassionate and quality patient care. They have once again led the way to a more sustainable Ames with the installation of LED lighting in their parking ramp. Large number of lights and the fact that they're on 24/7 used a significant amount of electricity. By going to LED technology over high-intensity discharge lamps, they were able to save 60% of their energy. The new lights will save 234,155 kilowatt hours of electricity every year. They'll reduce the demand for electricity by 27 kilowatts. It will save the hospital approximately $17,800 a year. And the future avoided cost, the offset for the utility, is estimated to be $50,146. And that will also remove 192 tons of carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. All by itself, all because they went to LED lighting in the parking ramp. The installation of these LED lamps qualifies Mary Greeley Medical Center to be a member of the Mayor's Green Team, but also it makes them eligible for a rebate of $19,669. So, Don?
Thank you, Steve. And I'm sure you all heard all of that with some of the construction noise going in the back. I don't want them to stop the construction noise because I'm excited about the addition that's going on to Mary Greeley. At this time, I'd like to ask the Honorable Mayor for the City of Ames, Mayor Ann Campbell, to come forward, please.
Well, thank you, Don. I think it stopped when I got here, so that was very, oh, it didn't. Good planning. Well, I would like to express appreciation to Mary Greeley Medical Center for being the 8th in our Green Team awardees. We do this for a variety of reasons in the city. First of all, of course, is our longtime commitment to the environment, to making a healthier world as a result of our reduction in the need for CO2, hopefully reducing the need ultimately for more patients at Mary Greeley Medical Center. So that is certainly our first cause. Secondly, it's a dollars and cents issue for us. Ames is very lucky to have a municipal electric utility where we pride ourselves in keeping the cost down, but one of the main ways we keep the cost down is by reducing the need, being able to grow, but still reducing the need for additional electricity and thus the need for additional plant power. And then finally, of course, we're very pleased that every time we do this, I think it makes a statement as to what other businesses, individuals, industries can do in Ames to help reduce the need for additional electricity. So Mary Greeley, you're setting a pace as number 8 on our team, and we appreciate it. And at this point, I'd like to ask your board president, Sarah Buck, and Brian Dieter to come forth and tell us about the Mary Greeley efforts.
Well, thank you, Mayor. It's very much a pleasure to be here and to help do a small part in, as we've talked about, reducing energy on the demand side. Also, to be part of this publicity to help share the message with others in and around our community so that they might emulate and take a cue from our leadership. We have approximately 400 lights in the parking ramp, and as it's been mentioned, they need to be on so that we have visibility at all times, so we know that we are making a significant impact. I think it's somewhat ironic that we're outside today and in the background we have the new facility because we can showcase additional efforts that we're taking. And some things are more visible than others. We've made a commitment to try and achieve LEED Silver certification on our building. And as a result, that talks to sustainability both in construction method and also in operations. And we're excited about that. We've made some smaller changes that might not be quite as visible, from composting garbage out of our kitchen to cardboard recycling. With our revised parking that will be kicking off after we open up our new facility, we're going to have dedicated spots for hybrid vehicles to encourage energy efficiency in vehicles. We'll also have shower facilities to encourage our staff who are able to commute by bicycle or walking or running by giving them a convenient locker room changing area. So in all these ways and in so many more, we're very pleased to be part of the Green Team. We certainly appreciate the city's utility effort in having this incentive program, which may push some who are on the fence as to whether they're going to make an energy efficient investment or not over the fence to make it. It certainly helps us. We think it's the right thing to do. We're glad to be part of it. So thank you very much.
Thank you, Brian. And now with this, Sarah, could you help as we open this? And here is a check for essentially $20,000 to help in your efforts, and we appreciate that. Great deal.
Thank you, Mayor.
And finally, something to put on your proudly display here as the Smart Energy Award for Mary Greeley Medical Center, which reads, in recognition of your exceptional commitment to reducing electrical consumption, you have been named an official member of Mayor Ann Campbell's Green Team. So congratulations, and
thanks,
we
Mayor.
appreciate your efforts.
Appreciate it.
I actually, went online. I filled out the form. I sent it in. I corresponded with Steve, the energy guy. He answered all the questions that I needed for the ones that I might not have understood completely, but there was only maybe one. And it was very simple. Sent it in, and that's about all there was to it.
I am the energy guy for the City of Ames, and I'm the individual that administers the smart energy programs. So if anyone has any questions about the smart energy programs, or would like more information, or would like to find out how to submit a claim, for instance, they can call me, Steve Wilson, at 239-5177, or they can get online at www.cityofames.org/smart energy, and that'll give them the information that they need. Programs, efforts like Mary Greeley Medical Center are important, not only for the medical center, but they're important for the community of Ames, because they really allow us not only to save dollars, which are returned to us as lower rates over time, it also helps us take carbon out of the atmosphere, helps us to clean the environment. So there are many, many positive benefits to undergoing a program of energy efficiency in the hospital. Not only the parking ramp lights, but other efforts that they've taken inside the existing facility, and of course the new efficient new facility, new part to the hospital. Again, setting an excellent example for the city of Ames. So again, if you have any questions about smart energy programs, you can call me, Steve Wilson, 239-5177.